Look at this engine. Look at what is coming out of the exhaust. What do you see there? You can see there are different types of smokes. You see white and you see blacks. This is a symptoms of bad injectors. I mean bad injectors. When you have bad injectors, this is one of the symptoms of the engine. Different kind of smokes. You see white smokes coming out of the exhaust means unburned diesel due to incomplete combustion. Do you also see black coming out? Because the fuel may be too rich, and sometimes you can even see blue coming out. In this video, I will talk about symptoms of bad injectors in your diesel engine. I've just mentioned one now, which is excessive smoke from exhaust. Smoke coming out from exhaust. And what is number two? Another one is engine misfiring. Engine misfiring. This is another sign you are going to see, and you will see that the engine voice or sound will not stable. It will go up and coming down, up and down, up and down. Why? Because the delivery of the fuel into the combustion chamber or into each cylinder is not balanced. One injector or two or more than that is misfiring, so that causes irregular delivery in the cylinder, and that resulted into hesitation under acceleration. That means the voice of the engine is going to misfire. That is number two. Let's go to number three. Do you know that when you have bad injector, you also have knocking sound or knocking noise from the engine? It has happened to me. I was thinking it was a bearing problem. When I checked the sump, I removed the sump and I checked the bearing under. I noticed everything was intact. Then what is the cause? Not knowing to me that it was because of bad injectors. So when you're hearing knocking sound, you need to calm down and check where is the sound coming from. If the sound is coming from the upper part of the engine, it could be that you are having bad injectors in your diesel engine. So knocking sound is another symptoms or sign of a bad injectors. And what is number four? Before I mention number four, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is how I talk about diesel engine, and it's going to help you to fix your diesel engine. Let's go to number four. I don't like wasting time. Poor fuel economy. When you have bad injectors, sometimes the injector will waste your fuel. Instead of injecting, it will be pouring. Do you get the point? It will not inject again, rather it will be pouring diesel, and that will result into poor fuel economy. If you notice that suddenly your fuel economy just became bad, became poor, go and check your injectors. Bad injector could be the reason why you are having poor fuel economy in your diesel engine. Number five is hard starting, or sometimes no start. If you are having no start, the engine refuses to start, it could be that you are having bad injectors, or your engine is having hard starting. It could be that you are having bad injectors. These are symptoms of bad injector, because the injectors are not delivering fuel into the cylinder. So the engine, the compressed air is not combusting, so that resulted into what? Hard starting. Or sometimes the engine may not even start at all. Sometimes after you rev for a very long time, the engine could pick up, but when the engine pick up, you are going to see other signs that we have already mentioned, like smokes coming out of the exhaust pipe or engine misfiring. You're going to see this. But when you have to rev for a very long time before your engine starts, or the engine does not even start at all, that is a sign that you are having bad injectors, especially in the cold weather. The injector may not crank or may not inject or fail to start. So go and check your injector. Another point, which is number 6, that's very vital I would like to mention, is loss of power or acceleration. Do you know why I pause? This is a very vital point. You need to take note of this. If you notice that the power of your engine dropped drastically, the acceleration dropped drastically, please go and check your injectors. Take it to a professional. But if you have injector tester, you can test it by yourself. Go and test your injector. If your injectors are not at the correct bar, at the correct PSI again, then that will cause it to drop the power of the engine. And you will notice that by the time you accelerate, you see poor acceleration. Your throttle will not respond the way it should. Let's move to number 7, which is odor, fuel odor or leaks. Don't be surprised when you notice diesel coming out of your exhaust tailpipe. You perceive odor of fuel, odor of diesel coming out. That is a sign that your injectors is pouring diesel into the cylinder, so it's not burning. As a result of that, it's coming out of your exhaust. When you hear this odor, go and check your injectors. Or if you notice that it is leak, that diesel is leaking, sometimes it leaks down to your crankcase and it causes mixture in your engine oil. The level of the oil as increases, that is another sign that you are having bad injectors. Please, I've mentioned 7 now. Go and check this. If you have any of this problem, it is a sign that you are having bad injectors in your diesel engine. I'm going to do another tutorial that talk about signs of bad injectors in gasoline engine. No, you have gasoline engine that also run with injectors. I'll do another video on that, but this one is basically for diesel engine. Although sometimes the symptom may be equal or maybe similar, but sometimes there are little differences there. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I appreciate if you can like this video and share this video so that others can see this video. Thank you. See you in another video attached to this, where I talk about the common problem in diesel engine. I have part 1 and part 2 of that video. Go and watch. It is attached. The link is in the description below. See you there.